Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers cheap Forrest City local and long distance movers near me. Forrest City has 8 multifunctional parks in it and a sports complex. It also has picnic pavilions. These provide countless recreational opportunities for residents and visitors. The cost of living in Forrest City is also less than the national average. These are a few reasons people like to stay in the town. When you, who reside in Forrest City, decide to change your environment, you have 2 options: moving from one part of the town to another or outside it. You'll need movers specializing in moving things within the town for the first option. It's easier and better than relocating by yourself. Thankfully, many Forrest City movers in 2023 are local movers, like Forrest City Local TM Movers. These professionals will guide you on extra moving services you may need, handle your things safely, and use their knowledge of the city to navigate its routes, traffic, and regulations, and deal with unique challenges if they come up. Those who prefer to move outside Forrest City when changing their environment need the assistance of long-distance movers. You also need them if you're moving into the town, outside Arkansas, or into the state. Thankfully, many Forrest City and Arkansas movers perform long-distance relocation, one of the best among them being Forrest City Long-Distance 3 Movers. Unlike local movers, long-distance movers have the expertise to coordinate transportation across long distances, navigate different state regulations, and handle potential complications that can pop up during journeys like this. A mover must have specific licenses to operate across state lines, and long-distance overs have them while local movers don't. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Forrest City moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.